Hurry. Guys, so this is obviously Jennifer's channel, but yeah, we have it. And you can tell this is her house because we're not judges, she will lovers, and she is.
Let's take it off.
So, yeah, nothing to worry about. So, we have
no burglar.
This is mine.
This is mine, but I left my big one.
I have more, but
I left my big one at my house. Okay.
I am not talking to Jennifer, but where are the spoons at?
Use this pen.
Use straw. No!
Ow! Jennifer totally didn't hit me.
Yeah, she's totally not down there. Okay, guys, so these are the stuff we have. We have some sprinkles.
We have the...
Give me this. I'm going to use this. So we're going to teach you how to make slime.
You make cloud slime.
So you get some glue and you pour it in your thing. Yeah, this is good. And then to make thick slime, you want to pour some clear glue in.
Just too much.
Not that much, but just pour some clear glue in. Just like that. Measure it. Measure. Not more than the there. That's good. Okay. You could use more later. Sorry, guys.
I'm also using a spatula.
Shh. Oh, me. I'm using the spatula. So you guys could use spatulas.
I'm using a fork.
Okay. So. What is that? Ew, that's so just you. Okay, sorry getting distracted. This video is becoming way too long. So yeah, and then you want to mix your stuff. Mix it really good.
Shh, I'll put some more glue in mine.
Your paints are right there, stupid. Okay, so we'll mix it until it's all in together. Ew, okay.
It looks so ugly.
I know, right? So what color do you want? I'm gonna do cake color.
I'm doing these.
I'm putting sprinkles in there. What goes with sprinkles? White. Actually, I'm gonna make white slime. So now, where's the activator, you guys?
I don't know.
Totally not Jennifer, but where's the activator?
Put activator in here.
Where's the activator?
Ew. We'll be right back.
And we got the borax solution.
Yeah.
So it's 1 teaspoon of borax and a cup of water. So.
Oh, my brother said he took out his recipe. Where's the container for this?
So now we're gonna put some borax in. Make sure you mix it completely and dissolve it completely.
Did you use hot water?
No.
Dumbass, I have water.
I think we need more.
Why is my slime not
So if it's not activating,
I forgot color.
We need to add more borax solution. So oh, you added a little. She added a lot. If you can't tell. You're gonna drop it.
I'm gonna drop it.
Bro, shut up.
Bro, shut up. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna knock you for a bunch of everything. Thank you for letting me use a bunch of your paint. Honestly, I don't use it. Okay.
So as you could see, the consistency is coming together. So if you can see my goodness,
I don't have glue anymore, by the way.
So the consistency is kind of coming.
Cool. Ooh, this is a pretty color.
Sorry if the quality is bad because it's on Jennifer's computer. So we'll be back when we're done mixing because this video is like 4 minutes already. So yeah.
Ooh, I activated my slime. This is a pretty color.
Oh, sure it is.
Do you want it? You want
No.
I'm gonna do where's the borax?
Right here. Let me mix it now.
Mine's already like slime right here, bro.
Mine is too.
Yeah, that's so nasty.
That is nasty.
This is nasty too. That's what you get for using Tide.
I know, right? Tide user.
What no, I didn't use Tide for that one.
What did you use?
Borax.
That's not borax.
Yeah, it is.
Well, then what did you do? Did you try to make fluffy slime or something? Why did it get all watery?
I don't even know what.
I feel like we need more borax because it's too liquid.
Oh, we added.
This is
not my slime. We tried to do a slime challenge, And we added like a whole bunch of stupid ass stuff to it, so that's it. Getting my book. I'm getting a mess. Jennifer!
Bring us some towels.
No, I'll just end up on my sleeve. I need a spoon. Move. Just spoons in there? Yeah. Dirty ones. So? I reuse stuff, bro.
I don't.
Me neither.
So you reuse your toilet paper?
I reuse some stuff. Like you. So it could be all nasty. Oh no, I think I dropped it.
What the heck? Why is this in here?
Jennifer put it in there.
Jennifer. Yeah, Jennifer. Mine is. Why are you touching with it? It's not ready.
My brother came up from the dentist.
You told us.
No, Jennifer. I want to turn it again though. I want to bug you. Well, that bugging is not working. I'm making a mess. Okay?
You are making a mess, girl. Go in with the freaking whatever you're using. You're making a mess on your table. Go in with some of this. Yeah, yo. Is yours ready?
No.
What did you use?
Tie. Move. I need borax.
Okay, no. What's it?
A little bit. No, that's not.
No, it's not. Yours is not even
Yes,
ready.
it is. I added a little bit of time. I mean, borax. And then
Oh my gosh.
And then it turns out perfect.
Okay, mine is getting ready now, so.
No, my.
You got something to
That
mine?
calls slag.
What?
Chingaderas.
That's what my grandma calls it. Okay, we're gonna say we're needing it.
That's
Okay?
pinches chingaderas.
Shh. What's your?
I'm gonna mix now. I'm gonna do it now.
Shh. So we're at the process that we are kneading it with our hands. So yeah, we'll be back when the slime is completely done. So we're done with our slimes, and I'm going to add some.
I was making some sprinkly because
Yeah, guys!
these girls were
Where are the
taking me out of my own
So
video.
I'm going to add some sprinkles that Jennifer bought off of Amazon.
You could add
You
some.
bought it from Amazon, Jennifer?
You could add whatever add-ins you want.
Yeah, so I'm going to add some sprinkle add-ons. So,
I wish I had clear lotion.
yes, me too.
Mine's a lot, bro.
I want blue now.
So these sprinkles have
But I don't have blue.
a lot of some sequences in them. So now, no, it will look good. So now we're going to mix it up. Sorry if you
don't
can
look
see.
good. Okay, we have to go get some containers from the garage.
You go give me another container?
No, we're going.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is so cute. It looks like a strawberry ice cream.
So this was the end of the video. So, someone texted me. Never mind. Wait, someone did text me. Oh, okay, whatever.
Okay,
So this is the end of the slime video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
stop. Hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy. Hope I get. Let's show Giovanni laughing over there in the corner. Get your. Hi, mommy. I see you. Stop. Okay. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Bye.